Aloha everyone, I'm Lillian Cumic, author of the vegan cookbook Hawaii, A Vegan Paradise. This cookbook came out last year in November, and shortly after it, I was so excited about that one, I actually wrote another one. So I'm very excited to announce my second book, Tasting Hawaii Vegan Style. This has over 120 plant-based and gluten-free recipes of dishes that are trending on the islands and trending in restaurants. And here's a little sneak peek into what you can expect. Let me just say that you do not have to give up anything on a plant-based diet. This book is proof that you can veganize anything, including vegan steak. For all you vegan seafood lovers, don't worry, I got you covered. Many of you know I love making plant-based cheeses. Not only are they vegan, they're also gluten-free. There's a vegan mozzarella, a cashew brie, there's my fabulous cheese sauce that I put on everything, and you will want to as well. Check out these recipes. When it comes to Hawaiian food, there are traditional favorites like smoky tofu spam, chicken heka, and a whole chapter on Beyond Poke vegan style. When it comes to dessert, let me just say, you are in for a sweet treat. Please support local and click on the link below to pre-order your copy of Tasting Hawaii Vegan Style directly from the publishing house at mutualpublishing.com.
Greatest vegan chef in Hawaii, right here. Unbelievable.
Thank you.
Want to cook and be like her? Grab her books.
You can find me at lillianvegan.com and reach out if you have any questions or would like to know more information about the book. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and aloha.